making the delicious fish fry.
Hi friends, I am Muhammad Faheem. I am making a delicious fish fry. The ingredients of fish fry: pepper, turmeric powder, salt, chili powder, ginger garlic paste, fish and some water. We want to mix these all ingredients. I mix that all ingredients. Then we want to put this masala on the fish. Going to cook the fish. First take a pan and put the pan on the stove and some oil. Put the oil on the pan. Then we want to take the fish and put the fish into the pan. Our fish is fried. Come, let's see. We want to wait some time. Our fish fry is ready. Come. Yeah. I am eating this fish fry. Very super. Very super. Friends, you must try this fish fry. Nice try.
Friends, did you like the fish fry? Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you soon.